How to use Skyscanner for cheap flights. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Skyscanner and then simply choose from which airport you want to fly. So you're gonna have to choose your home country airport to which airport you want to fly. So in which country. Then you're gonna have to choose the departure date. This is the most important step in order to find cheap flights by using Skyscanner. So as you can see, they have this option where they show you when are the cheapest dates. So as you can see with the green, these are the cheapest dates, the yellow are the medium one, and the red ones are the most expensive ones. So all you have to do is simply choose a green date like this one here, then click on apply and then simply wait. So as you can see, it's gonna load up, and then basically that's it. So you're gonna have different airlines. So as you can see, you have Wizz Air, Ryanair, then you have other ones here based on the ones that are flying to that destination, and then you're gonna have to simply select them, and then you're gonna get redirected to that airline official website. You're gonna have to simply pay for the ticket. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.